Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your folders activity on your Google Drive account. So let's say you're on Google Drive, guys, and you'd like to check what's the activities on a particular folder. So I'm going to use this share with friends one, for example. All you have to do is right click on that folder, go down to where you have folder information, click on details, or you can click on activity. So whichever one you want. If you click on details, you have this pop up here and you have the option on the right hand side here that says activity. You can click on that and you can see the activities from this folder. Very nice, right? And as I said, you can right click on it. You can also go to the folder information, just simple click on activity and you can see it. And another way how you can do it very fast, you can do the shortcut as it says here. You can just simply press Control V then A and you'll be able to do so as well as it shows you right here. So guys, that's how easy it is to check a folder activity on your Google Drive account. This could be very useful for you, especially when you're sharing folders with friends or anyone that you're working within the folder with. You can see what's the latest activity happening with that folder. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.